हेलो एंड वेलकम टू द न्यू वीडियो ऑन इन्वेंटरी मैनेजमेंट। इन्वेंटरी मतलब क्या? ऑल टाइप्स ऑफ स्टॉक्स एंड मटेरियल दैट कंपनी होल्ड्स फॉर द पर्पस ऑफ यूजिंग इन मैन्युफैक्चरिंग एंड फॉर द पर्पस ऑफ रीसेल टू द फाइनल कस्टमर। सारी प्रकार का सामान जो कंपनी होल्ड करती है मैन्युफैक्चरिंग में यूज करने के लिए या तो कस्टमर को सेल करने के लिए, वो इन्वेंटरी आपका हो सकता है रॉ मटेरियल, वो वर्क इन प्रोग्रेस हो सकता है, वो फिनिश गुड्स हो सकता है, वो मेंटेनेंस रिपेयर एंड ऑपरेशंस के मटेरियल हो सकते हैं। विल सी सर्टेन एग्जांपल्स ऑफ इन्वेंटरी। इन्वेंटरी रॉ मटेरियल हो सकता है, एग्जाम्पल फर्नीचर बनाने के लिए रॉ मटेरियल लगता है आपका वुड, milk is the raw material for making cheese and butter, cotton is the raw material for making the cloth and ready made garment, then working progress मतलब ऐसा सामान जिसके ऊपर आधा काम हो गया है और आधा काम होना बाकी, partly the work is done and partly the work is to be done which is not ready for the sale. Example a car manufacturing company, example चेचिस इंजन उन्होंने इंस्टॉल कर दिया है लेकिन अभी भी इंस्टॉल नहीं किया है, अभी भी फिटिंग नहीं की है सीट या टायर या इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, तो ये कार ready नहीं है for the sale. This car is not ready for the sale, and that is why we will say it is an work in progress. Example, pharmaceuticals company, those who are manufacturing the medicine, a mix of antibiotic, but it is not bottled. उन्होंने एंटीबायोटिक्स को मिक्स कर लिया है बट बॉटलिंग नहीं किया है, प्राइसिंग नहीं किया है, लेबलिंग नहीं किया है, इसका मतलब वो मेडिसिन विच इज नॉट रेडी फॉर, that medicine is not ready for sale, so we can say that medicine is an work in progress. Now what do you mean by finished goods? All those goods which are ready for use, which are ready for consume, that is called as finished goods. Example, ready made garments, cloth, furniture, car, TV, mobile. Then next example of inventories are maintenance, repairs and operation, MRO. मतलब आपकी कंपनी को डे टू डे चलाने के लिए, स्मूथली चलाने के लिए, वो आपका प्रोडक्शन हो सकता है, ऑपरेशन हो सकता है, आपकी ऑफिस, उसको डेली आसानी से स्मूथली रन करने के लिए जो आपके पास स्पेयर्स में मटेरियल होने चाहिए, स्टोरेज में होना चाहिए, उसको हम बोलते हैं मेंटेनेंस, रिपेयर एंड ऑपरेशन। वो आपका इन मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कंपनी में जहाँ पे गुड्स मैन्युफैक्चर होता है, तो वहाँ पे आपका मेंटेनेंस, रिपेयर, ऑपरेशन हो सकता है, लुब्रिकेशन, उसके बाद स्पेयर पार्ट्स, क्लीनिंग मटेरियल। इन रिटेल बिजनेस, दोज हु आर इन्वॉल्व इन बाइंग एंड सेलिंग ऑफ गुड्स, उस केस में आपका एमआरओ, आपका इन्वेंटरी हो सकता है, क्लीनिंग इक्विपमेंट्स, लाइट बल्ब्स एक्सेट्रा। इन आईटी कंपनी, दोज हु आर आईटी इन्वॉल्व इन द आईटी सर्विसेज, so for them the MRO inventories are computer hardware, network cable, antivirus, etc. So these are the examples of maintenance, repairs and operations. Now what do you mean by inventory management? So ये जो सारे मटेरियल है, रॉ मटेरियल, वर्किंग प्रोग्रेस, फिनिश गुड्स, एमआरओ, इनको प्रॉपर तरीके से मैनेज करना, कि एंश्योर करना है कि मटेरियल हमेशा अवेलेबल हो फॉर द पर्पस ऑफ प्रोडक्शन एंड फॉर द पर्पस ऑफ सेल टू द कंज्यूमर, एंड एंश्योर करना देयर शुड बी नो ओवरस्टॉकिंग एंड no understocking. So what do you mean by inventory management? It is a process of tracking. You need to track your material, then control your material. There should be no overstocking and understocking, and oversee the flow of material within the company and outside the company. Within the company means for the purpose of manufacturing, and outside the company means for the purpose of sale to the customers. Now we'll see the definitions of inventory management. The first definition, according to Chartered Institute of Procurement and Supply, this is it is a practice of planning, controlling inventory level to ensure that the right amount of inventory is available at the right time to meet the demands. So there are important words and important part in the definitions are there. Now we will simplify this particular definition. In that, the word is used called practice. Practice means this inventory management is a regular activity, because you are selling the goods to the customer on a regular basis, so you have to manage and you have to control the inventory, and that is a regular activity. Then planning and controlling means you have to plan in advance, you have to forecast that what type of requirements of inventory will be there, what quantity will be required in the upcoming few months in for upcoming season and festive season. So accordingly you have to forecast what will be the requirement of your inventory. Then control the inventory, there should be no overstocking, no understocking, and there should be always availability of material or inventory. That right amount of inventory means right quantity of inventory should be always available. एक सही क्वांटिटी हमेशा आपके स्टोर और वेयर हाउस में हमेशा अवेलेबल रहना चाहिए, और एंश्योर करना चाहिए कि ना एक्सेस हो ना शॉर्टेज हो. Then to meet the demand, ultimately you need to fulfill the demand of the customer. Your customer need to be satisfied. Customer आपका तभी satisfied होगा जब उसको आपका प्रोडक्ट टाइमली मिलेगा, आपका सामान आउट ऑफ स्टॉक नहीं होना चाहिए, to make your customer happy and satisfied. Then as definition as per the Investopedia, they says it refers to the process of ordering, storing, issuing and selling a company's inventory. This includes managing the raw material components, finished goods, as well as warehousing and processing the such item. Now we will simplify this definition. In that the word is used called process. Process means inventory management is a series of steps, and lot many steps need to be followed. For example, searching the supplier, finding the right material and giving the order to the supplier. Then you need to give the order of right quantity at the right time. Then storing, you have to receive that material and store in your storeroom to ensure that there should be always availability of raw material in your storeroom. Then next is issuing. Then you have to use that material for the purpose of manufacturing of your finished goods by using the raw material. Then after completing the finished goods, then you have to store in the warehouse, which you can ensure that final goods must be available for your customer in the market. And then process means assembling, packing and preparing your goods for the purpose of sale to the final customer. And at the last, then you have to sell the customer. So ultimately your target is to satisfy your customer, and your customer will be satisfied when your goods is available, timely available to the customer. Then your customer will be happy and satisfied. So I hope you all have understood the meaning and definition of inventory management. We'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you.